Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys app lock setting and how to set up and guys, how can you use guys your app lock setting in your Tecno phone. In this video guys I will show you guys app lock guys A to Z setting and one by one step by step I will show you in this video. So don't skip the video guys, watch carefully. And before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon if you're new in my channel. So when we will on our phone setting and guys scroll it. Then as you can see your phone security setting is tap here and guys scroll it. So once you can see your app lock setting then tap here. So once you can see draw unlock pattern. So first of all guys how to set up app lock means how to start app lock guys. We will have to draw any pattern. So example for guys I will draw this L but guys you can draw yourself. As you can answer guys you want to set here something else. So I will set into example for guys my friend name Ravi and then option. Then friends you can see your app lock settings. So friends you want to lock any app, so guys you can lock your app from here guys. You will have to click on this lock, then guys this lock will like this blue, then guys you can see your app lock will, this app will lock in your Tecno phone guys. And friends you can see your app lock setting right side, tap here. So once you want to off your Applock means you want to disable your Applock friends, you can disable, and as you can see the change password. So once you want to change password, so as you can see draw unlock pattern. So example over we will take this Z1 again guys 2 times. So as your Applock password will change guys, you can see it's wrong pattern. And friends you want to unlock any app, so friends you will have to just only click here this lock setting guys, your app will unlock from here guys. So like that guys you can set up your app lock. You want to change password, you want to lock app, you want to unlock, you can unlock and lock from here in your Tecno phone. So like that guys you can use your app lock setting in your Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. And friends one more thing guys I forget guys, again we will come guys, you want to off it your app lock setting, you can off from here, draw your pattern guys, setting option, enable app lock, tap here to off it. So as Applock will off and then we will have to again set up. So like that guys you can use your Applock whole setting means A to Z setting guys, how to set up, how to set, and guys how to lock, how to unlock, how to change password, and how to turn off Applock. It's all setting guys in this video I will told you. So I hope friends you have understood how to use Applock setting in Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Before going guys, please go and like the video, and if you like it, so guys like and share also. That's it guys, thanks for watching, bye friends.